Alright, what's going on guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now today, we're going to be looking at my most recent auction disaster. A 2006 Subaru Legacy GT Spec B with a blown engine that's been hit in the front. And what we're going to be specifically looking at today is the engine swap that I did for this car. And if you haven't seen the previous video, I'd recommend checking it out, and I'll make sure to leave a link above. And before we get into the video, I did want to make a quick announcement that I've started streaming on Twitch. So link down below will be the link to my profile. But with that being said, let's get back to the video. And this time around, I went with a JDM EJ20X engine swap. I decided to pick up this engine locally instead of going through eBay, just due to the experience I had last time with my WRX. It kind of left a bad taste in my mouth. It's a really cool experience to go hand select engine that you're going to be putting in your car. So since they had multiple versions of these engines available, I was able to go in the back and they would pull these crates out and we would just get a chance to look at all the engines. And then I found one that looked to be in really good shape and I just went for it. And then one thing leads to another. Hours go by. All the accessories have been taken off. All the fluids have been drained and everything's been unplugged and the engine's looking like it's ready to get pulled. But before that happens, my dad walks over and says this to me. It's just that intercooler and downpipe I think is going to be the hardest part.
Just keep at it, don't stop.
And that's exactly what I did. Alright guys, and that wraps it up for today's video, but stay tuned to see what happens next with this car, because not everything goes as smoothly as planned.
Oh man, I hope this is not different.
But anyways, thanks everyone for watching, and consider subscribing if you're new to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.